Hey you guys, it's your girl Michelle and welcome back to my channel. I bet you wanna know just what your girl is doing. Ay, bet you wanna know just what your girl is doing. Talk to me, I bet you wanna know just what your girl is doing. Ay, bet you wanna know just what your girl is doing. Hey you guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. As you can tell by the title down below, I'm going to be doing a unpackaging of some hair that I ordered from Aliexpress. Before I butcher this name, let me try to look it up and get it right. So let's see. It is from the company DOREMI. I came across their store on Aliexpress. I was looking for some Brazilian bundles and I wanted to try something different because I usually go for like the same company, but I want to try something different. And I got Brazilian body wave hair bundles in the inches 22, 24, and 24. So 2 24s and 1 22. And it was fairly cheap for those lengths. I only paid $95.62, which is a little bit more expensive than what I paid for my other bundles from a company that I really like from Aliexpress. So I usually pay close to $60, but I'm gonna see what the hype is about. Okay, so no further ado, let's get started with this unpackaging. Okay, so they shipped using USPS, so nothing too spectacular with this, so let's just rip it open. So this is how they sent it, like this. Y'all just watch me unbox, just tear the box. This is how they sent it, just like this. I am not a fan of this. I honestly love when I get like when I get the hair in nice pretty bags. Like, I love that, but I'm gonna keep that comment to myself because I done got hair in nice pretty bags and that hair was trash. So moving on. So we have the bundles. Okay, we're gonna get into that shortly. And they gave me some MAC color eyelash, number 27. I don't think these are really MAC lashes. They cannot be MAC lashes. But anyway, they kind of cute, so MAC or not, I would wear these. These are nice. So let's get into this. Alright, so this is one more time showing you guys how the hair looks. It looks like this. It looks long. Oh my goodness. That's some long hair. But look at this 22. First of all, before I rake my hand through it, the bounce on this is amazing. Like, I hope y'all can see that. Like, the bounce on this hair is super beautiful. Let me see if I'm getting any shedding. No shedding, which is awesome. No shedding. The hair feels so beautiful. Let's see. Something that I'm really noticing that I like about this, usually when you get really long hair, like these bundles, usually the ends are super thin, and I'm noticing that it is 22 all the way down. At the end you do have like those little stringy parts like that, but it is not as much as some hair that I have bought from Aliexpress. Like, I've had hair that it starts thinning out to maybe like right here. Like, your bundle, you're paying for a 22-inch, but literally you're just getting a good maybe 16-inch of good hair, because the rest is just like straggly ends. But this is like really cute. Like, this is really nice. So this is a, I'm thinking this is the natural color. Yeah, I believe this is the natural color. It feels beautiful, you guys. Like, oh my goodness, it feels really nice. I think the next thing I want to do is I want to see how long the weft is. Also, something that I've witnessed is the longer the bundles, the shorter the wefts. So I want to see if that's how this is. This has to be like one of my least favorite parts, is unraveling the bundle, because it just, for me, I haven't mastered a way of doing it right. Like, I usually get like the bundles tangled up and everything. But okay, here we go. I suck at doing this. I don't know if it's the hair or is it just me, the way how I do it, but we're gonna see. This is how long it is. So starting from here to all the way over here, it's pretty long. Y'all can't see, my wingspan ain't that long, but that is pretty long. They did not jank me, so that's something I like. And this is the half, still pretty long. It's like little half my wingspan. So yeah, this is so beautiful. Okay, so I am experiencing some shedding. So let's see. I am experiencing it. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but I did experience some shedding, and I see some on my floor. Yeah, I am experiencing shedding. A lot, actually. Yeah, I'm experiencing a lot of shedding. But as long as this hair just doesn't get thin, I should be okay. So yeah, but so far from looking at this bundle, playing with it, I am in like with this. I am really, really in like with this. This is a 22-inch, and like I stated in the beginning, I have two 24 inches. Y'all, this is a lot of shedding. I wonder why I didn't get that much shedding in the beginning, but I got a lot of shedding. It's all on the little rubber part that was on the bundles. But anyway, like I was saying, I'm excited about using this hair. It's really pretty. The only downfall is there is a lot of shedding I am seeing. And I'm praying and I'm hoping that when I do install this hair, that it's not going to like shed so much on my head till I'll just look like I just look crazy by the head. I don't plan on to get this hair sold in or to use this as a wig hair. I am going to be doing a quick wig. So I want to do that. Put this in my hair. Today is Friday. So I'm recording this video Friday, January 4th. But I probably won't upload this until tomorrow, which is Saturday, January 5th. Hey, January 5th. I'm also going to be doing I'm going to do a quick weave with this hair. So yeah, so far so good. I think this hair looks really good. I didn't smell it. Let me smell it. Yeah, it smells like hair. It smells like all the bundles that I've gotten, except for this bundles that I got before. I forgot to do a review on, but that's not important right now. But anyways, I like it. Let me talk about the customer service. They responded very quickly. They didn't send me as many messages as a lot of vendors would do, you know, after, you know, purchasing hair. But hey, they did what they did. They sold me the bundles. I bought the bundles and checked to see if my address was correct, and that was that. You know, business, done deal. But yeah, so that is it for this video. So far so good. I'm going to rate this hair from unpackaging it from, if I had to rate it from 1 through 10, I would have to give it like a solid 9. I'm very impressed with it. But the reason why I didn't get 10 is because it's shedding. The shedding is like something I'm a little afraid of, but other than that, I really do like this hair. So this video is going to be a 3-part video. So this is the first part, which is the unpackaging. The second part is going to be me installing it. The third part is going to be my review on this hair. So y'all, thank you guys so much, and y'all definitely stay tuned for DOREMI hair review from me. Once again, thank you guys so much. Until next time, stay up.